Welcome to Galaxy Log, a monthly video about observing galaxies that would be best seen in the upcoming month's dark window or near new moon. We will choose 3 galaxies for prime observation, with one each for smaller telescopes up to 5 inches, medium scopes 6 to 12, and large scopes over 12 inches. For Galaxy Log date 05.2013, we will head to Venatici, Ursa Major, and Virgo for this month's galaxies. Our first galaxy for this month, we will head to Venatici and the galaxy M106. This is one of the brightest galaxies in the northern sky. A Chesmont member, using his new 90mm f6.9 APO refractor from a good dark site, recently observed this wonderful galaxy. M106 is an easy target using a 27mm wide-field eyepiece. The galaxy showed a bright core surrounded by a fainter halo of hazy light. M106 appears elongated in a northwest to southeastern direction. Increasing the power by inserting a 12mm wide-field eyepiece, and with averted vision he could detect a slight S-shape in the inner regions, suggesting the spiral nature of this galaxy. I also observed M106 with my 4-inch f10 refractor. The galaxy was first seen with a 20mm wide-field eyepiece, and the view here reminded me of the Andromeda galaxy through moderate-sized binoculars. Best view was also with a 12mm wide-field eyepiece, whereas the view was very similar as what the Chesmont member saw with his 3.5-inch refractor. In fact, the view inspired me to take some time out to sketch the galaxy. Added observing note. With a medium-sized scope, a small, very elongated galaxy, NGC 4248, just west-northwest of M106 can be seen. Also just west of NGC 4248 is a small faint pair, NGC 4231 and 4232. I have from a good dark site, and my 8-inch f9 refractor, easily seen NGC 4248, as well as a small duo 4231 and 4232. Our next galaxy, we head to Ursa Major in the elongated galaxy NGC 5448. I observed 5448 with my 6-inch f6.5 refractor from a good dark site. I first saw this elongated galaxy with an 18mm ultra-wide-field eyepiece, and it was seen as a faint sliver of light and surrounding faint field stars. Best view here is with a 10mm ultra-wide-field eyepiece, where there is a brightening in the core area and the elongated disk of the galaxy going northwest to southeast. The next observing night, I was able to view 5448 with a larger 8-inch f9 refractor. With a 20mm wide-field eyepiece, the galaxy is a fairly bright elongated glow with a brighter core area. Move it up in power with a 12mm wide-field eyepiece, NGC 5448's elongated disk is showing a bit of modeling and a stellar nucleus. Inserting a 7mm ultra-wide-field eyepiece gave the best view of the night, with a stellar nucleus standing out well and a slight brightening east of the core. Our next galaxy or galaxies, we head to Virgo in NGC 5400 and surrounding cast. I observed NGC 5400 from a good dark site in my 12.5-inch f4.8 diode. With a 10mm ultra-wide-field eyepiece, NGC 5400 was a small round glow with a faint core. Then inserting a 5.5mm ultra-wide-field eyepiece, the galaxy stood out a bit better. With averted vision, some faint flecks of light were seen. Almost to the northwest of 5400, which is probably PGC 49857. And something just south of NGC 5400, which is probably IC 968. No doubt my 22-inch diode would be a better choice with this group overall, but I love the challenge anyway. Another Chesmont member also observed the 5400 group. Observations were made using a 17.5-inch f4.1 dot and a 6mm ultra-wide field eyepiece from a great dark site. NGC 5400, IC 968, and PGC 108-0186 were seen with direct vision. 5400 was pretty compact, almost stellar with a nebulous halo. And the pair IC 968 and PGC 108-0186 looks like a miniature version of the butterfly galaxies. With closer inspection, he was able to detect and hold with averted vision PGCs 108-0934, 140239, and 49857. 49857 and 080934 both extended nicely with averted vision. He commented saying a very nice group for a very good dark site. Well, that's it for this month's Galaxy Log. Clear dark skies and happy galaxy observing. Also remember, there's an amazing universe all around us. Explore it.
Galaxy Log is a production of Have a Stellar Birthday. We work with light, time, and people. Sponsored by 90mm Observatory. Backyard astronomy with small telescopes. Learn more at 90mm.org. Special thanks to the Chesmont Astronomical Society, dedicated to observational astronomy for more than 25 years. And to the music of Dave Luxton.